Mexico City bans bullfighting, ending a 500-year tradition amidst widespread protests. Mexico City banned violent bullfighting with a 61-to-1 vote. Animal rights activists celebrated, while supporters protested the decision in local Congress. The new laws ban killing bulls and using weapons, limiting bulls' ring time to 15 minutes. Animal rights groups highlight that 180,000 bulls are killed annually in these shows. Mayor Clara Brugada supports changes, transforming Mexico City into a place respecting animal rights. Previously, it housed the largest bull ring globally. In June 2022, a judge banned bullfighting in Mexico City, citing citizens' rights to a healthy, violence-free environment, but backlash followed. The bullfighting ban hit the economy hard, eliminating 80,000 direct and 146,000 indirect jobs, cutting $400 million in annual contributions. In 2023, Mexico's Supreme Court inexplicably lifted the ban, resuming fights until new legislation, affecting many people who depend on bullfighting for their income. Green Party's Jesus Sesma assured Congress that despite frustrations, no jobs were lost due to the bullfighting ban, addressing families' economic concerns. Bullfighting, once involving weapons, now has a non-violent version with Velcro-covered bulls. This may influence future bullfights in Mexico City, where weapons are banned.